Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos. Today's video comes to us from the channel Tesla Uber driver in LA. In this video, he is approached by a cop while parked at LAX. This interaction highlights the demeanor and attitude many cops have nowadays. They have this ill-informed notion that everyone has to listen to them. Check out this interaction and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.
This police, I just want to leave in and he don't let me leave in. It's this guy.
Did you get a picture of the sign right there, sir?
It's the black guy. I want to leave in.
Get a picture of the sign, okay?
Yeah, I want to leave in.
Let me just show you something. Relax. Are you going to listen?
Okay.
Look, let me show you this really quick, okay?
Yeah, I'm just talking there like 1 minute.
Listen.
Not 1 minute.
Listen.
You didn't let me move. You didn't let me go.
Listen, sir. See right here? You gotta follow all of these rules, okay?
Yeah, follow.
No, but hear me
I only parked there 30 minutes.
I know.
Not 1 minute. You didn't let me go.
Relax.
Why you don't let me go?
Here, because you're not listening to me. I'm trying to tell you something, and you're not listening.
Yeah, I know you don't let me parking. I'm leaving.
You're not listening.
You don't let me leave.
Were you stopped here?
Yeah, I don't know.
Were you stopped here?
Why the other guys leave parking here? You don't ask them.
Because this is your second time that I've seen you right here. This is your second time.
What's the first time?
About 7 minutes ago.
No, I don't know. I didn't see you. I just come here 1 minute.
Do you see this camera?
Do
you see this camera?
I don't know.
I got you on recording.
Okay.
Right? Are you gonna roll over my foot? Are you gonna roll over my foot?
I mean,
are you gonna roll over my foot?
I mean, you can manage the ticket to my home, okay?
Sir,
you can manage the ticket to my home.
I don't even have a ticket in my hand. I'm just trying to explain something to you.
I know.
I don't know why you're trying to drive away and drive over my foot. Why would you do that?
I didn't drive. The car is not moving.
I have a Tesla, and your foot is it's in drive.
No.
It's in drive, and your foot was
it's
just
auto hold. Auto hold.
Accelerator.
Oh, you are lying.
Okay?
It's auto hold. Auto hold. Oh, no, you know? You have a Tesla, you know.
You just took, because I have 3 of these.
Auto hold. Auto hold.
All you got to do is, sir.
Auto. You know auto hold mean?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah,
I have
stop.
3 Teslas.
Why you said me?
Look. If you put your foot on the accelerator, the car is gonna go. You just had it on the accelerator.
I didn't put.
You just moved your foot, so you're lying.
I didn't put.
I'm gonna tell you.
You're lying. I'm not hidden to you.
Can I see your
I'm
other
not
permit?
hidden to
Can
you.
I see your other permit?
And my car is parking here.
Let me see your other permit.
You said I hidden to you.
Okay. What I'm gonna do is, because you're being rude and discourteous.
Last time.
You're being rude and discourteous to a law enforcement officer.
The last time I uploaded your video to the YouTube.
Are you? That's no problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
This time same.
That's
okay.
No problem.
Yeah. You will be famous. I know.
Sure. That's no problem at all.
I know.
God bless you. Hold on to this, okay? These are airport property, okay? You see how this is LAX on it? Okay, this is LAX's property, okay? So since you're not following the rules, okay, go ahead. I didn't issue you a citation. Go ahead, okay? Have an amazing day, okay? And I'm gonna turn these into landside because you're not following LAWA rules, okay? Have a good day. Have an amazing day, okay?
This interaction is yet another example of the importance of accountability and knowing your rights. When public servants misuse their authority or adopt a condescending attitude, it's critical to document and shed light on these behaviors. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we can continue exposing these encounters, standing up for individual rights, and promoting accountability. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts. Your support helps us to keep going.
San Joaquin. Gotta watch him. We know the way that you copping. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rolling, no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros, telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Ooh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public property. You not eat